Hey lovely people, thank you for clicking this video. Please do stay tuned with me as I take you through how I made this delicious fried yam and irresistible egg sardine sauce. I don't know what name to give to this sauce. You can help me with one at the end of this video. Okay, let's go. To my returning subscribers, thank you for always watching my videos. I love you, I appreciate you. If this is your first time here, please do well to click on the subscribe button. You're welcome to join this family, and please give this video a thumbs up. Thank you. So for this recipe, you'll be needing your yam, which is like the major ingredient. You want to cut that and peel it in bits, okay? Just the way I'm doing here. You can actually cut it into any desired shape or size of yours, but I'll best advise to cut it in such a way that it will be thin enough to cook in such a short while and wouldn't give you so much stress, because this is supposed to be fried, like give it that chippy like nature. Okay, so for me, I always love cutting it this flat style, that's after peeling. So this is just the way I peel. I remove every dent, peel and cut to my desired size. Okay, after peeling, you want to go ahead and soak in a bowl with just normal water and some salt. You might want to leave that for about 20 minutes. It helps your yam become very tasty and sweet, like just very sweet. In fact, if you have the time, you can do this overnight. Peel, slice, and keep in the salty water. Not too much salt, please, just a little to give the yam some taste, and keep that overnight. Okay, I missed out the video of where I was just slicing this perfectly, but I believe you understand what I'm talking about at this point. So after slicing, you get your pot, put that on the fire, you get some vegetable oil in there, and when it's hot, you saw the sound that made at the beginning. You just want to go ahead to add in your sliced yam that's well soaked in the salty water, and then add some bits of water into this oil. What that water does is that it helps your yam be very soft inside and then crunchy outside. It doesn't start getting burnt before it actually gets fried. I know you understand what I mean by this. Yes, so that's how to achieve it. After frying this yam, you see that it's still very white, and then it's dry, it's crunchy, and then soft inside. So that's what that water helps it to do. So I fried this yam for about 15 minutes, turning it at interval to be sure that the temperature is evenly distributed. When you are done with that, you pack it out and proceed to go make your sauce. So for the sauce, I had some vegetable oil on the pot, just very little, because your sardine already has some oil as well. So you want to add that in, then add in your sardine and smash that with your spoon and fry for about 2 minutes. Then you go in with your onion. Of course, I love using white onion because of the flavor whenever I'm frying. So when you saute your onion for about 2 minutes as well, you go in with your vegetables. There I had scotch bonnet peppers, some tomatoes, then all colored bell peppers, that's green, yellow, and the orange colored bell pepper I have there. So you want to go in with that and then stir fry for like 5 minutes. You just want to give that a stir and leave it for some while. Come back, add your seasoning cube to taste. I used 1 seasoning cube for this quantity. Add in some salt, give that some stir, allow it to stir fry. Then come in with your eggs. This is 4 eggs I beat. I just add a pinch of salt in that egg, and then came in, poured it into the sauce that was already frying on the fire. After pouring that in, you just want to use your spoon to loosen it a bit, just like this, and not too much, just loosen it a bit, and then cover it and allow to cook for like 3 minutes. You see it is caked by this time, and then you just want to loosen that a bit again to be sure that those parts that are not having temperature are having temperature. Okay, so you want to stir that, then add in your spring onion. Oh my god, I love spring onions. Cover that and allow it to cook for some 2 more minutes, then come back to check, and this is what you have. Oh my god, I can't describe how this tasted when I finished cooking it. I just want you to go and try it out and come tell me what it feels like. Okay, so you are free to now serve your yam. You can of course eat this with boiled yam or white rice or spaghetti. Anything at all, it will come out absolutely fine. Let me know if you're trying this in the comment section. Thank you for watching, guys. I love you. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and comment if you are yet to do so. See you when next we'll see. Bye.